Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I'd like to welcome you to our list of webinars that you can claim and make your own. Today we're going to be talking about how I'm going to produce a video for you. You're going to give me your webinar links. I will then produce a free marketing video for you and promote it on a few of my social networking sites. But first, let's get a little housekeeping out of the way. The video I'm making right now, chances are will be out of date in the next 24 to 48 hours. So keep that in mind as you're watching this video and you see something different, okay? Also, if you're watching this video on the internet someplace, on YouTube someplace, and you're not on this page here, scroll down into the page, into the description of this video, and you're going to see some links in there to join, become a free Brand Harbor member. And then once you get into the Brand Harbor training and discussion group, I will give you the link to get to this page here. Now, like I said, make sure you ring that little bell when you subscribe. When you do that, you're going to be notified of the next webinar training video that I make so that you can get paid to watch and share that video. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this list of webinars you can claim and make your own. I'm going to jump down here. Here's the first webinar. You get paid 25% when somebody buys a webinar kit from you. And I'll be talking about that a little more in detail later. So you're going to claim this webinar right here and make it your own. You're going to give me that webinar link, your webinar link, and I'm going to place it in the description of this video I'm making for you. Yes, this is the video I'm making for you right now. Here's another webinar we have ready to go that you can claim, learn how to sell anything using webinars. And you're going to go find that webinar in your back office of your webinar kit. You're going to give it to me. Brand Harbor review and how it works. Here's another webinar. In fact, some of these webinars have not been produced yet. We're just staging some of these webinars. So if you work your way through here and you click on this link and it says coming soon, well, it's not ready yet. The same goes with these training videos. This one hasn't been produced yet. So this is the video I'm producing right here for you. Give me your webinar links. And when you click on this, it's going to take you over here. And it's going to give you the description, the details of how I'm going to do that. But we're going to come back to that. So here's the video that teaches you how to get paid to watch and share these Brand Harbor webinar videos, which there are a lot of them. The webinar on how to make money from home, this one's ready to go. You can claim that one and give it to me. And I'll place it in your video that I'm going to make for you. This one right here. Here's the 25-cent club review and how it works. Now, this happens to be a third-party webinar, third-party money-making opportunity. And yes, if you have created your own money-making opportunity like this, this person has here, we'd like to take a look at it. And if we feel it's valuable, we'll put it in our list of Brand Harbor videos like we have for this one here. Create engaging YouTube shorts. This one's ready to go. And this is ours, by the way. Kevin Fahey's $1 Million Webinar Warrior. This is ours. Empower Life. This happens to be a third-party affiliate program. Passively earned with any website. This happens to be ours. Crypto Team Build Review. This is ours, where you turn $3 into $49,152. Plus this one here, the sponsor pays your way in. So they're going to pay the $3 for you. This one over here is a third-party program. Turn 50 cents into $101 with this 2x2 company force makings. So you can claim these webinars, and some of them, like I say, have not been made yet. But when you do claim them, what you're going to do is I'm going to explain how to do it. You can give me your link, and I'll place them in your video, fact, the video I'm making right now for you. So we're going to go back here, give me your webinar links, and I'm going to fly through this, and I'm going to go down here and show you when I produce this video for you. I'm going to place it down in the inventory down here. You can see that I'm in the process of making, or I've already made the video for some of these members down here, and yours will go down probably below here. So in the description of your video, in fact, in the description of this video, you're going to find, when you join Brand Harbor, free to join, you're going to find your sponsors link with their ID in the description of your video. So let's talk about what happens when you join Brand Harbor, like clicking on your sponsors link here, soon to be your link. You're going to receive $5 for joining for free. And then when somebody clicks on your link and they go through the onboarding process, you're going to then make $1 for each person that joins underneath you. That easy, that simple. And yes, this lead capture page will be specifically coded to you. Now you're going to receive an email with instructions on how to get into our Brand Harbor training and discussion group, which is going to have your sponsor's name. Once you receive your $5, then what I want you to do is copy and paste this in a separate post. I would like to learn more about the Brand Harbor webinars, plus how to get paid to watch and share the videos. Now, when you join and go through this process up here and get onboarded, when you make the above post in the Telegram group, I'll start working with you, giving you the instructions on how to set up your own webinar campaigns, plus how to qualify to have me produce a free marketing video like this one right here. Now what you need to do is, of course, in order to claim those webinars I just showed you, you need to get a webinar kit. So now purchase your Brand Harbor webinar. Now, your sponsors, this is going to be your, in this case here, this is going to be your sponsor's referral link. When I produce the video for you, this will be your referral link, okay? This webinar kit offers a standalone affiliate program where you receive 25% commissions when somebody buys from you on your first level. Then you receive passive commissions 4 levels deep, no qualifying needed. Now note, you do not need to purchase the webinar kit to earn from selling the webinar kit. In other words, if you qualify, I'll produce this video for you, but you do not need to buy the webinar kit in order for me to place your webinar link, this webinar kit link, in your video, okay? Now, if you elect not to purchase a webinar kit, not a problem, but your sponsor's webinar links listed below, in just a minute I'll take you through here, will stay in your video until you purchase the webinar kit. So let's slow down here. We're going to talk about how powerful this marketing technique is. As a sponsor who has purchased the webinar kit, and you've given me your links in the Telegram group as instructed, of course, your webinar links are going to be placed in your video, and they're going to be placed in the videos that I make for the person that you sponsor that do not buy the webinar kit, okay? And when this, later on I'm going to show you how this video is going to go viral. And when this video does go viral, your links are in their video until they buy the webinar kit from you. Now, this is not done automatically. What you're going to need to do as the sponsor, you need to contact and work with your downline, your first level downline, and work with them in the back office in the Telegram in the PM area and work with them and get them to buy a webinar kit. If they do not buy that webinar kit, then you're going to notify me. You're going to PM me saying, hey, this person at this time cannot afford or will not buy the webinar kit. Can you make sure my links are in their video? This is not done automatically. You need to notify me, okay? Now, if you're not in a position, if you're a sponsor, and if you're not in a position or you do not want to engage and work with your downline, not a problem. You can still share your video out there, but remember that if you don't engage with that downline in the training, the Telegram training discussion group, you're not going to have your links in their video. Just make sure you understand that. This is a program where you just need to stay active and engaged in the Brand Harbor discussion or Telegram group. Not a problem. Or if you're a person that's just can't get into the Telegram group on a regular basis, not a problem. You can still promote your video and you can still make money when somebody buys using your webinar kit referral link. So as of the time, the date when I'm producing this video here are the list of webinars that are ready to go. What you're going to do is you're going to get back into your webinar kit back office. You're going to find your webinar link for the specific webinar down here, and you're going to give it to me in my PM area. And when you give it to me, make sure that you do give me the title, because if you just give me the link, you can see I have no idea what it's for. So you need to make sure you give me the title and then give me your link. Now in this case here, when you produce your own webinar, of course you're going to give me your link for that webinar. I'm going to place it in your video, in the description of your video. But if we scroll down here, like I say, make sure you do give me the title and then the link in a separate post in the PM area. As you're working our way down here, you can see these are the ones that are ready to go, active, and that I need you to give me. Now, when Marty and I have a new video, a new webinar put together, we're going to make an announcement in the Brand Harbor Training and Discussion Group when we produce a new webinar that you can claim to make yours. So you kind of need to stay active in the Telegram group. When we do that, find that webinar link in the back office of your webinar kit and post that link in my PM area, and I'll add it to your free marketing video, this one right here. Also, every time you produce your own webinar, give that link to me, and I'll place it here in your video. Now, watch this video that explains how to get paid for watching and sharing your videos, or any other video we might have related to Brand Harbor. And yes, I pay those who watch and share your video. You don't pay for it. I do. Marty and I do. And this is how it works. When somebody takes your video and they watch and share it, of course, they're going to do it for you. And of course, it's going to make it go viral. So the more places you can post your video, the better chance of someone watching and sharing your video. And of course, here are the hashtags that you need to use to go out there and promote your video. And in addition to everything I'm doing for you, I will do even more marketing, sharing your new free marketing video on several more of my social networking sites. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. By me doing that is not going to get your video out there where it should be to go viral. You need to do the same. In fact, every day you need to take your video and share it out there on all these social networking sites, all the advertising sites we have set up for you right here. You need to do that yourself. My little bit of sharing is not going to make you rich, all right? Okay, that's it. You know what to do. I'll be waiting for you in the Brand Harbor training and discussion group, ready to produce a video for you. But you need to get into the Brand Harbor training and discussion Telegram group for me to do that. That said, this is Harvey the Silver Fox. Let's go make some money.